Wagwan ENT.
I cry eternally. Cry on with your tin and sound. Radigan is the one that rules this town. No other sound can come test. David Radigan is the best. Not the test, don't test. So everywhere with your tin pan sound. Radigan will show you down. Your speaker, there is nowhere to be found. Your amplifier, there is so much on fire.
Blabo, Dance Massive and Crew. This is the original wailing wailer, Jabani wailer. Telling you that only one sound in the universe could have played in a sample, the champion song called Radigan. You hear? You hear it? The song you better know. It's on your clashing. Militant sound, Radigan. Blabo, Dance Massive and Crew. This is the original wailing wailer, Jabani wailer. Telling you that only one sound in the universe could have played in a sample, the champion song called Radigan. You hear? You hear it? The song you better know. It's on your clashing. Militant sound, Radigan. For the champion Radigan, you are fighting. You must fight. Hey now. I say all coward sound gonna keep sound moan, and all who suck sound are gonna weep and moan. If the sound who exalted themselves shall be abased, for Radigan the champion sound, he don't tread school face. Though Radigan clash with enough sound boy, everywhere he goes, remember, he'll fear no foe. Here and everywhere, where the champion go. Hear that? For not even the pestilence that crawleth by night can do Radigan no wrong, y'all. Them just can't do him no wrong. Hey now, Radigan tell you already. Radigan will tell you again. Soundboy, you better know it's who you're clashing. Champion sound, Radigan. Dumpy song, not the champion, Radigan, you're fighting.
We don't know. Killing sound is Radigan pleasure. And I'm an Errol Dunkley, endorse that. Radigan, kill all zinc pan sound. Listen this. Oh yes. The old town's talking about Radigan sound. And you're flying high now, sound boy, in your Zilpan world. But Radigan a killer sound, Radigan a murderation sound, Radigan a killer sound boy, and it won't be long. It won't be long. Tonight you die, sound boy. Tonight you die. Please stop your lying sound and speak the truth. Going around and saying you are the greatest. Now you back up in a Radigan sound. You have to confess the Radigan sound. It's at the best. And I'm going home one day to come. I'm gonna listen Radigan, killers in sound. It's been a long time. Radigan been killing sound, and I have to confess, Radigan are the greatest. Radigan a killer sound. Radigan a murder sound. Radigan a killer sound boy, and it won't be long.
Original Foundation, Bitty McLean alongside David Radigan. Let's go start. Original foundation. Bitty McLean alongside David Radigan. Let's go start. Yeah. I'm gonna tell ya, we kill sounds for sure. Sound boy, just move away from here. Oh, and don't be confused. Radigan Dubplate sound clear. And if you want it, you've got it forever. 'Cause this is a Dubplate affair. Whoa, sound boy, I tell ya, tonight Dubplate's gonna lick your mind. When Radigan plays it, you will find. Whoa. Sound boy gonna feel away when they hear selection Radigan plays.
Bitchy.
I love it, Radigan kill sounds forever. Sound clash is made for dubs. You can't kill Radigan in 1-for-1. I love it, Radigan kill sounds forever. Sound look like fool. This clash belongs to I.
Whoa!
David Radigan come to kill it ain't funny. Pure evil as things the big man a study. Tell them sham nana kill if you gold and money. Wow, wow! Can you hear me now? Hey Radigan! This a Radigan story. Real reggae story. Foundation story. David Radigan story. Hey, Radigan remember those days when Ska was the sound. When Buster make Capone and him wear the crown. When Millie make Lollipop mash. Story. David Radigan story.
Yo!
Radigan remember those days when Ska was the sound. When Buster make Capone and him wear the crown. When Millie make Lollipop mash up the town. When Coxon have the sound. When King Stitch was a
Yo!
Radi remember when Tubbies play at Greenwich.
Yo!
When Uriah the DJ we make the most pound. When the youth them a shit up and dip a town. That along before some liquor boys start play a sound. Now remember when Radigan come and jump.
You say you hear the Naya man, him all that chant himself. Watch out, Radigan, we come for burn down all pollution, all corruption, drama, and original black man, original bush doctor on your face. Bushman, hey, easy Radigan dead. Hey, watch out, burn them out now, higher. Hey, man go put a fire, burn a we got some boy and they freezer, we don't never get with them. And do they try to use it and abuse it? Leave them with a frown. Radigan go put a fire, burn a we got Babylon and they freezer, we don't never get with them. And though they try to use it and abuse it, I leave them with a frown. Radigan, them focus for so long on them plantation, and we never get paid. Oh, go they stole away, oh many life them slay. Now them works and slap them in them face. How are you? They want them crook and go to well. Cause after we do under them colonial spell, and all them fall doctrine that they compel. Radigan, why are and all those books they stole away. All them kids them let us stay.
Besides most to bless. Pick up yourself, David Radigan.
For you, Emma, for you.
King Silla says the Almighty Rastafari. Standing strong, alright. At a fire burn with
Sizzler.
Must. Rastafari. The earth is the Lord of the fullness, we rock the world and doing as well therein. For it's found that on the seas, establish it upon the flood. Conquer the line of the tribe of Judah. Burn out the dragon and the bear. Wow. All of my people and all of my thugs and I'ma say it's most to bless. But tell David Radigan, yeah.
One more to go.
The Almighty Rastafari. Standing strong, alright. At a fire, burn redemption is a must. Rastafari.
What one ENT?
The world and doing as well therein. For it's fun to
Signal.
establish it up on the floor.
If you know reggae music, give me some signal.
Burn out the evil dragon and the bear out. All of my people and all of my thugs and all those little children, all of them ain't gonna see us apart.
Give me some lighter.
Ain't gonna see us fall. Living Radigan, say play for the people and cheer for the fans and
Big up Mikey from Augsburg.
girls push up your hand.
Sound salute.
Gonna see you fall. Girls ain't gonna see you fall.
Yo.
Pleasant surprise, them never gonna stop me. Whoa, living happily, with the children, that's where the stars speak. Beautiful people, we've got those gas, yeah. Judgment, we face them. From their pagans, we gonna erase them. Girls on the roof and the dogs in the basement. Love is their replacement. Wow! All of my people and all of my thugs and all those beautiful little children I love. They ain't gonna see us fall, David say. They ain't gonna see us
Baby Radical, the people set up the program. And so I try to test the Radigan, I got an OT Ramote. Oh, what a shame. And so I try to test the Radigan, I got an OT Ramote.
Stuttgart.
To beat them to shame. And so I try to test
Lucian, a message, I don't
Stuttgart. If you love reggae, give me 2 hands in here.
Baby Radical.
Burn out the haters.
And so I try to test the Radigan, I got an OT Ramote. Oh, what a shame.
Hey.
And so I try to test the Radigan, I got an OT Ramote. And I beat them to shame. And so I try to test the Radigan, I got an OT Ramote. Oh, what a shame. And so I try to test the Radigan, I got an OT.
It's 3:30
And I beat them
by my Swiss watch.
something like a dog. And them tongue round by two.
Yo!
Oh God, though we juggling so hard, they walk on treat like to
Big up Daniel.
yeah.
Hey!
They wonder what them jump and
Big up Sticks. Higher level.
but I need to survive to meet
Higher level.
Can David Radigan, they are
Whoa.
a boss, we are boss.
Saarbrücken.
Too loud. And so I try to taste the Radigan and that
Ulterior motive.
oh, what a shame. And so I try to taste the Radigan.
A silver bullet.
And we them to shame.
A somebody tried to test the Sentinel and tried to get the put up. Serious motive. Serious motive. Ulterior motive.
David, love the session. Love the session. Want to big up each and everybody we're coming to the Dubs 400 edition this year. Sentinel alongside Father David Radigan. Ram Jam! Yeah. You don't know, say big up. Everybody we're forward. We have people from France inside the place. We have people from Belgium inside the place. We have people from Finland inside the place. We have people from UK inside the place. Okay, let me take it away right now. I'm gonna bust a secret right now. Let's say, everybody knows he's a royal member of the Order of the British Empire. He met Prince Charles a few weeks ago and get what do we get? A badge, a medal. Oh, all right. Big up the original member of the British Empire, David Radigan. Are you a knight? No? But not only that, You know, just a few days ago, he has, yesterday, he has been nominated for the best radio program by the British National Radio Academy. Congratulations, because you know that is everybody wishes, because nobody will forget about you when you're passing gone. You will be gone but not forgotten. Big up the living legend David Radigan. Everybody make some noise for David Radigan. It's all about that. And big up Sizzla Kalonji, my DJ. You played a wicked Sizzla a while ago. And I told the people I told the people before already. I mean, you pick up reggae music in 1967 with Millie Smalls, right? And I pick up reggae music like a year later. I was in Jamaica the first time, 1995. When Garnet Silk just passed away. And this next artist, what I'm going to play right now, means something to me. When I pick up reggae dancehall, I used to listen to Sizzla Kalonji, you know? And I can only talk about what I think about Sizzla. But to me, he is the modern day Bob Marley. Daniel, take it away right now. Sister, my artist.
Join thy strength and in thy salvation, how greatly shall he rejoice. I mean, I say, we burn out to right, and they don't know the man. Just as I call them, survive some opinion. Watch out. You don't know, the everlasting sound. So that's how we are the crown party and the most black people at first. Yo, kick it to the Sentinel. They don't know the woman them very well. I see the column job on up Babylon and them pagans spell. Okay, on fire. I mean, I say, benevolent. Whoa, yeah. I don't just shout, king of the earth. Come to yourself, you cannot chase every skirt. Choose a bless you with your word. Woman of the soul, where is your meditation? Feeding at all the future generation. Kings of the earth. Come to yourself, you cannot chase every skirt. Choose a bless you with your word. Woman of the soul, where is your meditation?
Talk to them now. Born Babylon.
What is Babylon, children? What is Babylon? Babylon definition is confusion.
Think about it, true Rasta man were there. A true Rasta woman.
The fire never sees no prostitute, not one. We want the woman and strength in the arm of the day.
Come in also, you're not going to power with no police boy. Come in also, you're not like Babylon. Come in also, you're not like Babylon. You're not cooperate with Babylon. Tell them again, hold on.
Yes, the wall be the execution. Sentinel, leave the woman in them rightful position. Alpha and Omega civilization. Our Sentinel says Celestia is the chief musician. Kings of this earth, come to yourself, you cannot chase.
Reaching out to everybody, all the righteous people. We now go work with Babylon. We go and work around Babylon. Put your hand in the ear again.
Look on the brighter side, Lord.
Listen.
Wow, Sentinel, say thank you very much for so kind, so nice. Wow,
Sizzla,
put away all your guns and knives. Wow, we're Sentinel, do away with your war and strife.
Tell him again, Sizzla, I'm
Sentinel, for the children, leave what they learn. People, children, leave what they learn.
Reaching out to all the righteous youth in youth. Stuttgart, all the righteous youth and youth again.
The everlasting sound. It's fast for them. You don't know the man Tilo, you man Uli, stay so man.
Stuttgart, all the righteous youth and youth were there tonight.
I tell you, say, go clean up your heart and joy. Yo, you cannot be corruption. This is a sound boy, you born. Go clean up your heart. Go clean up your heart.
Watch out.
Go clean up your heart. Come again, Sentinel, do it. Powerful, them no like me. To me, tell them kings and I say I am.
Ready again now.
Just do me. Powerful.
I say from night me I hear the next singer. From night me I hear the singer then.
Sentinel was playing the dance, playing the sweet, sweet reggae music from dusk till dawn. I was holding in the moonlight. I was listening to
Really and truly, I've been longing for this night from where?
idiot soundboy will try to contest
Watch out.
the best in the #1 champion.
Silver Bullet Sandy there, big up.
Sentinel is the champion sound.
Watch out.
Idiot soundboy have to run out to town.
Hold on.
But it is foolish to try.
Watch out.
Test the #1 sound.
Make a drop the original Jupiter rhythm right now.
Don't you know you will die?
Let me play the original Jupiter rhythm right now. Daniel, tell them.
Tonight Sentinel is playing a soundboy will lock up.
Right.
Cause why when Sentinel stop playing,
Watch out.
a soundboy start show up.
Ready.
It's like my heart on fire for Sentinel. He's the #1 song.
Watch out now again.
Sentinel.
How about Sister Kalonji again?
Them full of music here.
I say sister, you say Kalonji, sister.
Sentinel is gonna kill you like others before. Jump and sound, we kick you out the door.
Alright.
Gonna kill you like others before.
We not afraid of no sound, no matter what, no matter what.
Gonna kill you like others before.
David Radigan Sentinel were one thing in common. We got nothing to prove. We got nothing to prove. Daniel, tell him again, take it away.
The everlasting sound. Oh, man, now.
Enough for them soul boy, them a pre and the war. Hey, hey.
Them guys. Them guys. Sentinel will never go away. Them guys. So far away. Them
This is still man out there, aka Gentleman.
Sentinel will never.
Right.
Every day you get up and you wish to have a meal.
Watch out.
Now you get a cut and you wish to.
One more time, I have a bigger popo movement so there was. Gentleman.
This week.
Tillman Otto.
Man say what's the
Putting reggae music on the map in Germany.
sign and seal.
That me say.
Thought you on the case, but how you are happy.
One more time.
You are the one who couldn't hear, now you the one to feel evidently clear which happening down your shit. Them ain't going nowhere, no time.
Stuttgart, I want to hear one more time. Stuttgart, I want to hear everybody sing along. Sing, sing,
will blow.
sing.
Still you singing Satan tune.
Sing.
Them guys.
It's about music tonight.
Sentinel, you sounded so nice. He can be a child of war. Flowing on me, give thanks to Sentinel music. And that was
Trust me, the rhythm can't dead. Never. Sustain throughout the years.
Sentinel
Kill that song for all of the people. Kill that jump song.
Right.
Sentinel, kill that song.
Big a war in the east, big a rhythm clash. The sound clash culture going down, kinda. But them Dubplate thing, here's no more say what again. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Watch out now, we cherish it. UK!
Stop
Hey, hey, hey.
I said to pass me a Dubplate, I make we mash them down. Yeah.
Right. From top, from top, from top. Play it again, from top again.
Really and truly.
Big man of UK family, Immortal, Jawa, you there. Exodus, 4x4 ecstasy.
I said to pass me a Dubplate, I make we mash them down.
V Rockets, Valerie,
Pass me a Dubplate,
Saxon family,
down.
Trevor Sax.
When the lion is sleeping, don't you try to wake him. No. And when Tilo
Can you see some lighter from the ganja man?
you try to
Can you see some lighter from the ganja man?
Give me the weed,
Good ganja weed. No matter burn it,
don't count the weed, murder the breed.
Yo,
Give me the weed,
yo,
good science the
yo.
weed. Ganja reborn me all of you. Ganja the healing of the nation. Ganja was found on the grave of King Solomon. This and pass my scientist and Dr. Man. I saw we know ganja be rich.
Right.
Well, I will walk through the valley and we run through the swamp. Stop them move along till me reach the woodland. Run Ganja.
One more time, let me hear them sing.
Champion.
Let me hear them sing. The one in there. Give me the weight, good ganja weight.
Sentinel, the everlasting sound. Juggling Mario, Nadia Elmar.
The one you mash up New York the other day.
Yo, Mr.
Right. Hey, big up the preacher, Lieutenant Stitches.
Sentinel, make me call upon him. Call upon him because of Jesus Christ.
I just snack this thing we're done with.
Call upon him. Call upon him, and when you rise up in the morning.
Courtesy of Sentinel. Hey, you full sound.
One more time, everybody. I say Sizzler. You say Kalonji. Sizzler.
Sound boy cry, we don't care. Sound boy die, we don't care. Who's for no one but themselves? From your the Sentinel sound boy, you want to melt. Beyond the human reasoning, joy mix with the band.
Ready again.
Oh yeah, we got to reach, yeah.
Watch it now.
But now, one for us to reach nowhere.
Fancy the one lane again.
Let's go on it, we don't care.
So,
why does it got to be in this way?
So everybody sing along. Sing.
Play,
The one
yeah. Just yes.
Just one of those things.
Sentinel.
You're at the end of the day. One of the baddest and the wickedest singer who ever come out of Jamaica.
Say glory be to the Most High God. Hallowed be thy name.
Luciano,
King of kings and Lord of lords.
Hold on.
Worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace.
Right.
For all the years.
At the end of the day, one of the best Dubplate artists ever.
It's me again, child, as I fall on my knees today.
Right.
It's them child say, the Sentinel lead the way.
Right.
It's me again, child, as I fall on my knees today.
When you come a Sentinel dance, we want everybody to enjoy themselves. We want everybody to enjoy themselves. You understand?
Step back. It's best to rise with Sentinel sound in the dancehall.
Right.
Just like the sunshine all over the place. Don't be like the night when it's dark.
What?
So Sentinel sound is the nearest to you.
Why you fi do?
I want to dance to Sentinel music. Dance.
May I go give you one more time?
Dance.
May I give you one more time? Voice of the messenger, Luciana.
Give thanks to the Almighty Sentinel.
All who know music.
Lord, give me strength to face another day.
Watch out.
To make it a long life's road. Count my heavy load.
Right.
Give Sentinel strength, oh Jah, to carry.
All right, on the next one, I want to hear everybody.
Oh my.
On the next one, I want to hear everybody sing along again.
Sentinel, mind production. Sentinel.
All who give thanks for the Lord Almighty for giving us reggae music. Yeah.
Me know you love your car and your bling bling, but we put.
Pull up.
Sentinel, mind production.
It's not about the hype tonight.
Sentinel,
it's all about the Lord giving us reggae music to enjoy ourselves. Yeah.
me know you love your car and your bling bling, but we put. Some boy around you don't have a thing. Sentinel, rule above everything.
Wow.
Me know them love them car and them bling bling, but we say put. Some sound boy,
listen. The real revolutionary.
So, to them rich though they don't remember. Back in the days they couldn't find bread and butter. Who was the one to help you when you were suffer? Shining light to all the darkest hour. To you have everything no life require. You know remember we go call Panchata. Tell me when last
show you one more time, everybody. Who feel it?
Me know you love your car and your bling bling, but we put yo, sound I got dead tonight. Sentinel, papa them bogus stripe, bout El Mino plan no can. You come a Stuttgart, we own the farm tonight.
Bomba clap.
Yo.
13 years in the business. Sentinel,
papa them bogus stripe.
listen.
Bout El Mino plan no can. You come a Stuttgart, we own the farm. Tonight we are gonna murder you. Can't compete with Sentinel.
Listen.
From 98, Sentinel sound a guan. Mash up Europe.
Nächsten Monat, Kingston Hot, Sentinel und Supersonic, 13 Jahre Anniversary.
Bout El Mino plan no can. You come a Stuttgart, we own the farm.
Yeah.
Tonight we are gonna murder you. Can't compete with Sentinel. From 98, Sentinel sound a guan. Mash up Europe and German. How them come a clash with Pandy? First time we touch New York. We turn the champion. No sound we right off. No sound can't escape when Sentinel they rat. Nadia no laugh.
Sizzler,
But we crew
Anthony B.
must love pussy old man.
You ready for Capleton? You ready for Capleton, the fireman right now? Hold on. Let me tell you once again and once more. Tonight is all about the art of cutting dubplates. You know, when we come out with this dubplate, we played on Rhythm Clash 2K7. As a matter of fact, we were clashing David Radigan. We come out with that dubplate, and you know how many emails I got from soundman all over the world requesting Father Elmer, please forward me the rhythm alone. I need to get hold of that rhythm. Play it!
Yo, a Sentinel, a big sound everlasting. Watch it out.
Capleton! From Peter Tosh to the fireman! Hey!
Yo, who sing no live and I say who trumpet? Sentinel no go one night. Yo,
Reggae Mash Money, are your money puller? Are your money puller? Hold on.
Yo, me just say watch on the mess, come me just say to me watch on now. Are you only me just say watch on now? Bounce watch on now.
Right.
Yo, who sing no live and I say who trumpet? Sentinel no go one night, go eat fish and bread, but we are.
Big up Supernova family. Original sound from Stuttgart.
Cause we have a dub in our place and we don't repatriate.
Watch out.
We are with the part.
I gotta tell some song about Sentinel still.
Sentinel, you must get the
Fireman Capleton, the prophet, tell them.
come and find out, yeah. You're lifelong, but you're careless with it. If you're the Sentinel, you shall surely lose it with him. You're lifelong, but you're careless with it. If you're this Capleton, no one
Sing.
Murder.
Shot.
Sentinel come again, murderation.
Everybody.
People friend murder.
From Mr. Anthem. From Mr. Anthem. From Mr.
Don't know
Anthem.
2K6 and beyond. As I was trying to myself, Nadia stay so. Marley, I don't know bangs. Yo, told me stay so.
From the old to the new.
Mesca.
Signature tune. Sizzler.
Sound boy get killed in a Sentinel yard. Sound boy get killed in a Sentinel yard. And when we pop the Mac, kill even a needle.
Everybody put your hand in there. Put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up like this. Like this one. Hey.
Sound boy can't test me in a Sentinel yard. Sound boy get killed in over fucking brand. And when we pop the AK and needle. Same flex, that's so hard.
Some sound out there, them got no anthems.
He that some boy just come from country. Don't try to test my sound. No.
Hey, Junior, take it to them. Hey.
You could have come from Rima, or you come from jungle. Watch out. Come from firehouse, or you come from tower.
Watch out.
Closer home. Kill Sentinel. You could have come from Kingston, you come from Tokyo.
Listen.
You come from New York, I come from Milan.
I'm a sound.
No sound can kill Sentinel sound.
Right.
You could have come from Deadmont, I come from Berlin, I come from Cologne, and I say you are the king.
No sound.
No sound can kill Sentinel sound.
Sentinel, you don't know the blasting sound. Modern sound. Modern sound.
What I say a while ago, from the old to the new, call the melody.
Sentinel, it is a modern sound with some new parts and turn up the play.
Right.
To kill sound boy at night, kill them in the morning. Sentinel, it is the sound. To hang sound boy at night and hang them in the morning.
We have some sound who are up themselves.
It's a modern
But when it comes to the real nitty gritty, you know what again?
and they no rough like we, and they no tough like we.
When it comes to the nitty gritty,
Tell him come again.
them now have no belly.
Put it up a ling, put it up a ling, put it up a ling, put it up a ling.
Whoa.
Them a rough, them a tough, them a rough, them a tough, them a rough like we.
Watch out.
Them a rough, them a tough, them a
Big up sound salute hi-fi there.
Some say happy and some a say agony.
What
If
up?
them wanna be excellent, sound like we. First make we check them background educationally
Yes, sir.
and make sure them have a big bachelor degree
Hold up.
from the College of Arts, Science, Technology. Fit a sound like a Sentinel sound.
Again.
Them a rough, them a tough, them a rough, them a tough, them a rough.
Rough like way.
Them a rough, them a tough, them a rough, them a tough, them a rough.
Rough like way. Stuttgart, listen. I'm gonna drop a speech in a Radigan vein right now. I was born February 23rd, 1975. That is my birth date. And when I celebrated in Asperg, in Ludwigsburg, when I celebrated my 10th birthday, I did not know what was happening at Stuttgart, Jamaica, Kingston, on that very day. Am 23. Februar 1985 hat King Jamis den ersten Digital Rhythm gedroppt ever. An meinem 10. Geburtstag. Ich hab einen Scheiß davon gewusst, but ihr wagwan, the very day an meinem 10. Geburtstag.
Sentinel, say that son boy go to hell. A son boy can read not spell. No then, I will spit this. I saw it. Weighing them, weighing them brain.
Listen!
And I murder them, murder the killing thing them. Sentinel, say that son boy go to hell. A son boy can read not spell. No then, I will spit this.
This rhythm is original slang thing. This was my 10th year birthday present, and then I don't know nothing.
Under the killing thing them, under the killing.
Watch out.
Under the killing thing them, under the.
Yeah.
Under the slang thing we under the slang thing. Under the slang thing we under.
Ready.
Waking them brain, not cocaine.
Sing.
Waking them brain, no selection.
I say I don't wanna go and sing.
Hey yo, yellow, might as well, low. One time, he more.
Early bounty killer.
You know, keeping them back up.
Big up Reggae Boss family. Hey, hey, hey.
Ask them a who, could I never miss a one up. Hey yo, yellow, might as well, low. One time, he more. No, dear.
Who are you, some boy?
Them back out here.
13 years into the business. Killer.
Ask them a who, could I never miss a wanna be. I got done that free, make everybody see no you. People say just up it look like
What's your baseline?
and I got done you.
What's your baseline now?
So you wanna be me? When tell them been set to me take spring break. Say them a impes. Yeah, they slick up on go sing a batty man concept. Say them mutini, they saw me hop check and him run down mirage. I'm got disrespect, but
watch out.
Man, I'm foreign, they don't tell no dead yet. But see if they
one more time, big up. Big up David Radigan.
And you're chopping a vastness.
Watch out.
Guerrilla warfare.
Right.
Trace. Why me start that by reservation and request. They kill them the fool. Sentinel that is no stress.
David. You go to war next week, right? The man go to war in New York next week. Who are you clashing? Who are you clashing?
Black Cat, Tony Matterhorn, Firelinks, Earth Ruler, Poison Dart. Ready.
You know, I can tell you what will happen to all these sounds on Sunday morning in New York. I can tell you, it's gonna be a weeping in morning and then gonna log on to the internet and chat. But hear me now. I'm gonna tell you what really is going to happen Sunday morning to them sounds.
Lonely, lonely, lonely Sunday morning. In from a dip on every corner. Look at you and pointing alright. Alright,
Listen.
them. Lonely, lonely, lonely Sunday morning. In from a dip on every corner. Look at you and pointing alright.
Listen!
Alright.
Snow!
Me and please, I'm coming at the blow down with all Lord. We take a bum through my window. Then this and that is something that I must really know. From the born and raised in the get some of the one shelf in Noah. So pure brown people on this all I'm on Noah. The shoes and them tear up and I'm mid toes is a show. So you can have to dance and watch the people dance down lower. Sentinel crew, you're the star of the show. So lonely, lonely, lonely Sunday morning.
Few to go before David Radigan. Few to go. Hey, 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 foundation.
Oh no, 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 oh, no.
Right. Listen.
Sentinel from a far, far land. Murder some sound in a England. Kill some sound in a New York. The sound boy your corner's dark, Lord. Kill some sound in a Taiwan. Murder some sound in a New Zealand.
Watch out.
But some dub, some sound play.
Barrington Levi.
That's not right on our book. Yes, some dub, some sound playing. That's not right in our
Daniel,
book.
come give me the next one. Give me the next one again. Hold on again. Yeah. Hey,
Yes,
hey,
yes.
hey.
The everlasting sound.
Ooh, Sentinel a trouble. You're trouble.
I don't know what's a big tune for your money right now. Lighter.
What you play and where you put your nose. Sentinel waiting to explode.
Watch out.
Watch your step and where you push your toes.
Watch out for the wheel slide. Up there.
Temptation wanna push you on the line. Never play blind. Among the soul wicked is more than night.
Tonight.
You read it.
Tonight.
Next in line, oi. Murder now.
Mr. Smoker, you there, larger. Guns in a promotion. Life.
Still came and
Listen.
now you know what the clash is all about.
I don't know about Sentinel from years and years. A big jump on the turntable.
Different avenue.
No sound in the world. Play this next one. Maxi Priest.
Yes,
Shabaran. Combination.
I know, so this is Sentinel, the original German loader sound, everlasting sound. With Shabaran Sama. Yes, people.
Listen.
I know, so this is Sentinel, the original German
Listen.
loader sound, everlasting sound. With Shabaran Sama.
What I said a while ago, the art of cutting dubplate, right? We learned that from you.
Where's the Maxi?
Ain't no use pretending, son, why we're gonna slaughter your sound. With those idiot tunes that you're playing, Sentinel will run you out of town.
Alright, Maxi Priest, Shabba.
Gonna hide cause you're dead tonight.
Deadly.
It's too late to turn
Deadly.
now. Cause every tune is dropping so people wanna run.
Listen.
Sentinel, I murder a sound tonight. No sound can't frighten me. Sentinel with the
I say everybody put up your gun on in the air for Shabba. Everybody put up your gun on for Shabba. Hey,
So then we have the doublet for the heart, we have the doublet for the brain, we have the casket for the body when a sound boy gets slain. The doublet for the heart, we have the doublet for the
listen.
Have the casket for the body
Shabba.
boy gets slain.
Hey.
Every round a sound come and a complain. Sentinel doublet a bun like acid rain. Doublet a circulate to the great Mario vein. Any sound test it champion.
Must get slain.
We have the doublet for the heart, we have the doublet for the brain. Have the casket for the body when a sound boy gets slain. Doublet for the heart, we have the doublet.
Maxi Priest, Shabba.
The casket for the
Who can find it, Junior? Who can find it? Say
From the
that.
start to the end, we blaze a fire. No matter.
Don't wait it. Time for Mr. Radigan again.
Elma, like you love Sizzler, I'm gonna play 2 Sizzler just for you.
I'm a blessed. Alice Lassie as the Almighty every night and day.
I mean, I say pray, sir. Love Selassie more and more. I mean, I say stay, sir. Clean and pure. Whoa! Woo, 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 woo. Me, I say bless up all the land and England, massive Birmingham, Nottingham, Rotterdam. Big up yourself.
Give me some signal for Sentinel sound.
Tell you that they can't keep a good man down. Keep my joy when they want me to frown. Rastafari is him govern the throne.
Whoa!
They could never ever take thy crown. Who Jah bless, I say no man. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers that ask him for a search. They find no weapon, just a real dropper. David Radigan, solid right. Stop now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop you now. Even when they set up their traps, they just can't stop you now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop you now. Hey. Yeah, me as a stay so David Radigan and the whole of England stay so Haile Selassie is Almighty. Yeah, Rastafari, me as a bomb the fire red. Yeah, you don't know music for the people, for them to keep up there. Yeah. Anyway, I big a judgment for them now. Just like in the holidays. Yeah, me as a stay so David Radigan and the whole of England stay so Haile Selassie is Almighty. Rastafari, me as a bomb the fire red. Yeah, you don't know music for the people, for them to keep up there. Yeah. Anyway, I big a judgment for them now. Just like in the holidays, chop off the bag and then I let it. Tell them ready go. Come make me go mash them down, we not lose. She said that I hype them a hype, prove them a prove. Radigan mash them down, him can't lose. We come from us, them down. Little children, I say to honor your mothers and your fathers. Tell them again, I said to love your one another. Bristol, I see how you grow. In Addis Ababa, 2nd of November 1930. Ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-bam. On the sound boy, me that's the Yatalama. I mean, some big up yourself. David Radigan. King Selassie is the Almighty. It's good over here. You know me? I see the color to this. Love for the world of people. 4,000 years of slavery. We need repatriation right now. So, wicked Babylonian, your time. 4,000 years of slavery. We need repatriation right now.
Are you ready for the bass line?
Wicked Babylonian, your time. We need repatriation right now.
If you want the bass line, give me one hand in the air.
Wicked Babylonian, your time has come. Firebun, Radigan and on them.
Yo.
There is nowhere to hide, there is nowhere to run. Firebun, wicked Radigan and on them down. Mr. Babylonian, your time has come. I mean, some big up yourself. David Radigan.
Yo.
King Selassie is the Almighty.
Every man do his thing a little way different.
This is a color to this. Love for the world of people. 4,000 years of slavery. We need repatriation right now. So, wicked Babylonian, your time has come. Firebun, Radigan and on them.
If you want the bass line, give me one finger in the air.
Now we have to run. Firebun, wicked Radigan and on them down. Mr. Babylonian, your time has come. Firebun, David Radigan and on them down. There is nowhere to hide, there is nowhere to
Stuttgart!
on them down. I'll never forget the black people you slave. They were so hard and they never get
6.
paid. You kill them off with the guns and
6.
I tell them say, for us Selassie I'm a praise. So long you kill the boys and girls, and you thought of the people in the world, and Babylon is a destruction.
Right now.
Gun Satan right, Mr. Babylonian, your time has come. Fireman David Radigan and chant them down. There's nowhere to hide, there is nowhere to run. Fireman, Rastaman and chant them.
Sentinel sound system, I'm in jet.
Are you ready?
Pepper, pepper, pepper.
Stuttgart, are you ready?
Check it. Say Radigan, we kill a sound with this one. Dub them dead if our we've got some. International sound system, I mean jet. Yeah.
Are you ready? Give it to one in here.
Pepper. Check it. Sir Radigan, we kill a sound with this one. Dub them dead. If I war, we've got something for you. Little sound boy, your life no longer than shed. Radigan got something for you. Sound owners cannot stand around them systems anymore. Radigan got something for you. Written in the book of life, we shall live forevermore. Radigan got something for Radigan works a manifest and it a blossom and a bloom. Nature always run its course, the tide is rising with the moon. It only takes a spark to put a fire to the fume. What is hidden in the dark shall be revealed so very soon. Tell Pharaoh free the prisoners from the dungeons and the doom. Telling you them not to dread and Babylon put them not platoon. The trials and the peril deeper than the blue lagoon. Sound boy don't know them history or no sister them a good. Radigan we kill a sound with this one dub them dead. If I war we've got something for you. Little sound boy.
Attack! Them for us a Radigan. Original veteran, yeah.
Sounds goes to war. Only Radigan gonna wear the crown. And it's my sound, not your sound. The Radigan sound is the champion sound. What? Touch it. That's right. You better watch yourself. Watch yourself. You better watch yourself. Some boy. You better watch yourself. Some boy. Radigan no in on a fuss and fight. Dubplate is what is killing you tonight. Radigan no in the lay. Sweet reggae music what Radigan play. Sweet reggae music what we love.
(1983), King Tubby Studio. Horace Andy.
You trying to conquer Papa Radigan. You trying to conquer Papa Radigan. You never will conquer Papa Radigan. You try to conquer Papa Radigan. You never will conquer Papa Radigan. You going around and saying you are the greatest. Isn't the right thing to do?
I'm telling you, run it, original. Coming from the north with my face to the south, I'm sure Radigan can murder any sound in Radigan. In a this dance in Radigan.
Still really and truly, Radigan on the second fiddle. Still really and truly, in my first class. Them call him name from coast to coast, saying that he play reggae the most. From east, west, north and south, yes he has fans dancing on their toe. Radigan, he's not a substitute selector.
Okay, well since I did we hear about too much lira. All some brown lira and white lira and all some caramel and sugar lira and all the make a bag lira and a mat lira. Hey son boy over there sir, or Radigan say you better just move south. Cause if you don't do that my friend then that number number is 0, cause Radigan kill for a few more pesos. 0. The cock fly up in the mirror. Them want to jump in at the chest, they must think Radigan cycle does come so. 0.
Come down rain. Shower.
Radigan, I wanna hear it. No more fussing and fighting. Sound boy in bed tonight.
Come down rain. Shower.
Radigan, I wanna hear it. No more fussing and fighting. Sound boy in bed tonight. Radigan, I wanna hear it. No more fussing and fighting. Sound boy in bed tonight. Just let bygones be bygones. Let's think about tomorrow. Roddy's future's bright. Sound boy, you were wrong. You were just a fool, too blind to see. Roddy never show mercy. And now I see the light. Everything's gonna be alright. Roddy win the fight.
No sound in the universe can test Radigan. Marcia Griffith says so. You run things, baby.
I knew one day.
Wagwan ENT.